Projects are one of the most important thing in the resume of a guy. They matters a lot, and no matter if you are preparing for a off-campus or a on-campus job. So when I was in the first year of my college, I just knew about front-end web development, and I started searching about how to make projects, because projects is something by building that you can have in-depth knowledge regarding that topic. As there is a good advice for all the developers that if you want to learn, just implement it. So that's what the idea is. So there is an amazing GitHub repository that is going viral on the reels nowadays. Many people are talking about that, and I wanted you guys to know about that. Means if you are following me, then buy surely, right? So that repository has many projects, means projects related to front-end web development, majorly based on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you are a beginner, if you are a guy looking for decent project ideas, so that you can just start building projects at least, and you can put them in your resume in the first year and try to get a decent internship. So who knows? So let's get started. So we guys Rahul here, and in this video we are here on this amazing GitHub repository, and its name is Web Dev Mini Projects. So I will be providing the link of this repository in the description, and you can just simply click on that link and you will be directed to this page. And look at this, the number of projects it has, I don't know. Look at the number of stars, 888. That's pretty amazing, right? So now look at the projects. Okay, so as I told you that it contains beginner friendly projects. When I show the languages on which the major code is written is HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and the rest of the languages. So means it contains the projects majorly of front-end web development, and that too of basics only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you are just a beginner and you have zero knowledge, then you can also start building those projects, and along with that you will have a decent knowledge. And if you build only 2 to 3 projects from this list, then also it would be really helpful for you, and you will have a decent knowledge regarding the concept of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so let's take a dive into the projects. So here is the first project. Okay, not this. Let's click on this age calculator. Okay, so they have pretty nicely managed the repository, I think. And you can first, okay, so they have readme.md file where you can see here, this is the age calculator. Default page will look like this. Today date is, and you have to enter your DOB and it will show you the age. So that's it. So that's a very basic project. So with the help of this, but it is basic, it is very basic, but with the help of this you would understand how to use JavaScript, means how to add styling, how to use HTML, how to use components of JavaScript. So all these things, and you can clone this repository as well. They have written something about and good screenshots either. So it completely depends on you that whether you need the entire code, you need the entire repository, or you can just take the idea from that and start building on your own, and just come to the repository in 1 to 2 days and see how much progress you have made. So it's what you can do. Or else you can also learn in public, means you can post on Twitter or LinkedIn that okay, I am starting building projects with the help of this repository, and you can push your code on your GitHub account as well, and you can share the link on socials so that you can keep track and other people can also keep track of your progress, means how much you are doing. So that's a good way. And let's look on few more a bit complex projects. I think Amazon Prime login clone, so that's a very good thing, I think. Project overview, simple project where created a clone of Amazon Prime login page using HTML. So okay, it is built with the help of HTML and CSS, and here authentication, no I think, but it is just like a form using HTML. So that's to a basic, very much basic, not like that, a bit hard. Let's see. Okay, calculator is good, yeah, because I made calculator in the second day. So calculator is good because calculator will help you in understanding the concept of JavaScript very nicely, because it will help you understand how you can perform calculations, because Initially, I thought that calculator would be very easy project when I was in the second year. When I started building that, I was not able to build the UI in 2 days. Okay, so I found it a hell lot of difficulties. How to send data type. I found it very much confusing. So you learn by doing projects. Okay, that's why I'm saying that. So you can build that calculator too. And what difficulties I faced was like, how will you perform the modular operations? How will you perform the division operations? And what about the floor values? What about the seal values? So all those complexities will come when you will be building a calculator. So I think calculator will be a bit decent project than those. So you can choose on your own. You can choose on your level. And yeah, let's look 1 or 2 interesting projects. Okay, dice game, dictionary, emoji search app. Okay, file zipper, fetch API using React. Okay, so this one is good. This one is good. So I think they are in the order alphabetical order, but I think that their difficulty level is also getting increased. So you can get a better deep dive. I will be providing the link in the description. So you can just click on that link and you will be directed to this page. And there, and you can choose on your own. You can choose upon your level, on what level you are. On the basis of that, you can decide your project. And I think it's a good repository for a beginner. And here are a lot of projects, means the list is going on, man. Sudoku solver, okay, YouTube clone. So in the end, there are much harder projects, I think. So I think I was right, means the difficulty level is also increasing in the alphabetical order, I think. So yeah, so you can choose whatever project you like and build amazing projects and start learning, man. So that was it from my side for you today. And I think you liked this video. If yes, then don't forget to drop a like. You can follow me on socials and I will be catching you in the next video. Till then,